Kentucky Fried Chicken at home. This is crispy chicken nibbles or chicken wings. So crispy. I think it's actually better than KFC. Hi everyone, Rose here from Let's Cook NZ, and today I am going to make Kentucky Fried Chicken at home. And this is going to be the crispy chicken nibbles, and I'm going to try and see if I can make it as close taste as the Kentucky Fried Chicken. So I hope you will like it. So let's get started. everyone, I'm back again and I've made it KFC at home. So crispy chicken wings in nibbles. I can't wait to try it, so let's give it a try. There you go. So let's try this chicken wings here. So as you can see, look at this. Oh, it's so juicy, and look at that. Juicy and so crispy. Let's give it a try. So crispy. I think it's actually better than KFC, if you ask me anyway. This is without the sauce, and as you can see, it's just so crunchy. It's so tasty as well. I can taste the herbs, the thyme herbs and basil going on in there. And see, as you can see, it's not that oily. Okay? It's so crunchy. It's beautiful. It's just delicious. So yum. So tasty. So there you go. There is another cooking for me that I shared with you, and I hope you enjoyed that, and I'd like you to try it. So until next time, please don't forget to click subscribe, click the notification button, and like and comment. Okay, so until next time, bye for now.